In modern society, dining out has evolved into much more than just a way to satisfy hunger. It is a significant social occasion. Whether you are grabbing a quick bite at a local bistro or enjoying a formal three-course meal at a high-end establishment, understanding the etiquette and vocabulary of a restaurant is essential for a smooth experience. The process typically begins before you even leave your house. For popular venues, it is highly recommended to book a table in advance to avoid disappointment. Upon arrival, a host or waiter will usually greet you and confirm your reservation. After you are shown to your table, you will be presented with the menu, which often features a variety of appetizers, entrees, and desserts. A standard dining experience is often divided into three distinct courses. First, guests may choose an appetizer, also known as a starter, such as a seasonal soup or a light bruschetta. This is followed by the entree, or main course, which is the heart of the meal. Many restaurants provide a selection of side dishes, like roasted vegetables or garlic mash, which can be ordered to complement the main plate. Throughout the evening, a waiter will attend to your needs, ensuring that your water glass is full and that the food is prepared to your satisfaction. If you have specific dietary requirements, such as being gluten-free or vegan, it is important to inform the staff early so they can recommend suitable options. Finally, when the meal concludes, it is time to settle the bill or the check. In many cultures, if the service was exceptional, leaving a gratuity or a tip of 10% to 20% is standard practice, but this often depends on the country. Whether you pay by card or cash, it is polite to acknowledge the staff before you depart and thank them for their service. I hope you had a pleasant evening.